$2,400 a month in Panama City. Is it worth it? Let's find out. Today we're touring a 2-bedroom apartment in PH Grand Tower right here in Punta Pacifica in one of the most sought-after neighborhoods in the city. We'll take a look at the apartment, building amenities like the pool and game rooms, accessibility, and I'll also give you a feel for what it's actually like to live in the area with a quick driving tour of the neighborhood. Let's take a look inside. Hello, my name is Aisha. I travel the world with cerebral palsy, sharing the real side of expat life, honest travel tips, and my journey towards multiple citizenships. At 46, I left my career as a utility director and moved to Panama. 31 countries and counting, I'm proving life abroad has no limits. As soon as you walk in, you have a half bath to the left with the vanity. Next to the bathroom, you have the utility closet for the AC. Directly in front of the bathroom, you have an open kitchen. It has a good amount of counter space, and all of the cabinets are below the counters. It has a stacked microwave and oven with some storage space above them, and a gas stovetop and a vent fan next to the sink. Next to the kitchen, you have the laundry room with a maid's quarter and a full bathroom. In front of the kitchen, you have some bar stools and the dining area, which leads to the living room. The first bedroom we'll see is the main bedroom, and it has a balcony, which I really like. It also has a walk-in closet with a lot of nooks and a shoe rack behind the door. The bathroom has his and her sinks with cabinets below them. Let's head over to the balcony, which is closed off from the one that's in the living room. This balcony is shared with the second bedroom. The second bedroom is a good size. It has a full bathroom with a vent fan and a vanity. The walk-in closet for some reason does not have space for dresses, which I found to be interesting. This building has amenities galore. The ground floor has a pool that looks out over the ocean, and it has ample seating space. They have a really nice game room beyond this working space. In the hallway, they have separate bathrooms for men and women. All the way at the end of this hallway, past the bathrooms, you have a movie room. Their amenities don't stop there. They have 2 spa rooms, one for men and one for women. And at the end of the hallway that has the spas, you have the gym. They also have rooftop and other spaces that you can rent out for events. The front entrance has a ramp from the carport. For the apartment, the front door is wide enough for a wheelchair or a scooter. The half-bath entry might be too small. There's enough space to enter and navigate the kitchen. You might be able to enter the laundry room with a little finesse, but it looks too narrow. And you would not be able to enter the bathroom. To be honest, I'm not even sure you could enter the bedroom. I would ask a realtor to measure its width, but the closet and bathroom are too small to navigate into. The same applies for the second bedroom. There were railings along the stairs of the pool. They do have ramps in the spa and gym areas. The gym has a ramp to access the bathrooms, but the bathroom doors look a bit narrow to fit a wheelchair. The hot tub has stairs, but no railings to enter it. Its location is in the upscale Punta Pacifica neighborhood. You're just a hop, skip, and a jump away from Avenida Balboa, Multiplaza Mall, and cultural attractions and key business hubs. And while Punta Pacifica is known for its skyline and high-end residential towers, it's also practical. You have a foodie grocery store, coffee shops, dry cleaning, 2 pharmacies, all within this neighborhood, as well as the JW Marriott Hotel, which has several popular restaurants. Right next to the hotel is a casino, and there's also a rooftop bar with stunning views of Panama Bay and the city. I want to give a special shout out to the channel members for your support. It means more than you'll ever know. Gracias! I also want to give a shout out to those who have supported via Buy Me a Coffee, liked, shared, commented, subscribed, and given video hypes. Until the next one, remember, the world is yours. You just have to find your place in it. Okay, so that's it. That was 4 minutes.